Hi Libra, this is Wishes of a Wanderer Tarot, and this reading is going to be for Libra, Sun, Moon, Rising and Venus signs for the month of June 2021. Let's get started. You've got the Page of Pentacles and the Emperor. Oh, you've got the Five of Wands as well. Okay, and you've got the Page of Swords as well as the Hermit card. Libra, here I feel you have the Moon under the deck. So here I feel that you are concentrating more on your own life. You're trying to get a lot of authority when it comes to your own decisions. Probably you've taken a major decision lately and you're just trying to get a hold of your finances. You're trying to get a hold of your life. You want to be as authoritative about your life as much as you can, because for the longest time people have had the reins in their hands and they have guided your life, and now you realize that it's no point, because at the end of the day people are living their own lives and nobody really has time to guide you, and you have to do the needful. Libra, if you are facing some kind of dilemma whether or not to do certain things, rest assured in the near future you will know exactly which path to take. You just need to have faith in yourself and in your abilities, Libra, and you will reach for the skies. Trust me. There could be a Virgo person involved in your life, a Leo person. Libra, I feel that in the near future, in the coming months, you will be offered something that you never imagined getting. And you're going to jump to that offer. Now, this could be regarding somebody who you've known since a kid, since a child. A lot of communication coming your way from somebody who's been a part of your life for a very long time now. You could have had some romantic relationships with this person, and they see you as a soulmate. So just beware. And why I'm saying beware is because this guy or girl could have another person tucked away somewhere. So be sure about what you're getting into. Don't land up in third party situations, Libra. Take rational decisions. Your trust will be compromised. You will need to go with your instincts, because if you don't go with your instincts, your trust may just get shattered in somebody. So just be careful in who you lay your trust in. I would suggest wait a while. Okay. Prosperity lies ahead. Show the world the real you. Step out of your comfort zone. Your hard work is paying off, and meditate and contemplate. Libra, you're very close to achieving your goal, and the signs that are playing a major role in your life right now are Taurus, Aquarius, Capricorn, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, and Gemini. The last message for Libra until my next reading is: my fearless freedom lights up the world. It's a beautiful card, and we started the reading with saying that you guys are taking authority of your life, and you're ending the reading with a freedom card, which in itself is a big sign that you are getting your life back in order, Libra. So keep going, have faith, and be good, guys. If this reading resonated with you, please do like, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye.